progress of the Eastern Bypass on the Kahawa West side.
Hello, welcome back to the Escapades. So today I'm going to bring you a video showing the progress report of the Eastern Bypass on the Kahawa West side. So I'm taking a drive from Bypass all the way to OJ, just the junction just before you go to Kiambu, Tatu City, or the Kiambu route. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and if you like this type of content, comment down below. Thank you.